Tired of the endless parking spot hunt and the scramble for loose change? This video is your express ticket to stress-free parking with the Easypark app. First, make sure you've downloaded Easypark from your app store and created an account. Opening the app, you'll see a map displaying nearby parking areas. Available spots are often marked, but remember these aren't always guaranteed in real time. Tap on a parking icon to see details like the hourly rate and any restrictions. Once you've parked, tap the Start Parking button. You can select your estimated parking duration. The app will automatically suggest a time based on the zone's restrictions, but you can always adjust it. Confirm the details: license plate, parking zone, and duration before tapping Start Parking. You will receive a confirmation message, and the parking session begins. The app displays a timer showing how much time you have left. Need more time? Tap the Extend button to add more time remotely, up to the maximum allowed. This prevents you from running back to your car to top up. When you're ready to leave, simply tap Stop Parking. The app calculates the parking fee based on the actual time used. You can manage your payment methods in the app settings or update your credit card, debit card, or other preferred payment options for seamless transactions. And that's it. With Easypark, you can ditch the parking stress and enjoy a smoother, more convenient experience. Now, go conquer that parking jungle.